Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing GSAP and Anime.js to see if which is the best animation platform for 2025. So first, let's start with the GSAP. So this is ideal for scroll triggered animations, UI or the UX transitions, web games, interactive storytelling, 3D or WebGL control with 3.js. So the pros and cons, let's start with the pros. So it has full animation suite for JS, SVG, DOM, Canvas, WebGL. And it also has grained control. So it has timeless, stagger, repeat, easing, and the callbacks. It also have massive plugin ecosystem. So they have flip, scroll trigger, draggable, and the motion path. And it also works across frameworks like the React, Vue, or the Svelte. And the cons is it is slightly larger size and some advanced plugins require a commercial license. Let's move forward to Anime.js. So this is ideal for landing page animations, charts, simple SVG effects, and the developers wanting a fast learning curve with visual output. For the pros, it is lightweight and elegant API and also easy timeline chaining. It also works great with DOM, SVG, CSS transforms, and it is ideal for beginners and quick interactions. For the cons is it has limited plugin ecosystem, not as scalable for large or complex animations, and it also has limited scroll integration, the manual setup required. So for the real world comparison, so here is the animation type and the best tool. So if you want scroll based animation, go with GSAP. If you want morphing SVG, then go with GSAP rather, morph SVG. And if you want lightweight text animation, then go with Anime.js. And if you want interactive UI transitions, go with GSAP. If you want staggered list effects, then go with both the GSAP and Animejs. And if you want quick portfolio animation, then go with Anime.js. So the question is, which is the best animation platform in 2025? So for professionals and complex animation needs, you go with GSAP. If you want for smaller projects, quick effects, and beginners, then go with Anime.js. And for the learning curve, Animejs is easier, while GSAP is deeper. So that's it for this comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!